This video goes over the substitution method for solving systems of equation. The assignment that you guys have for substitution is the 6.2 Delta Math. There's 3 different levels of substitution. We're going to have 3 questions for level 1, 3 questions for level 2, and then 4 questions for level 3, total of 10 questions. I'm going to go over 1 from each type. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Reach out if you need more assistance after watching. Level 1, solve the system by substitution. In the level 1 questions, both equations are solved for y, or both equations are solved for the same variable. But you're taking one and you're plugging it in for the other. Another way to say this is you're really just setting the equations equal to each other. Okay, so I'm going to take this negative 10x and plug it into the y on the top, since that's what y is equal to. And it turns out that I'm setting these 2 equations equal. Negative 10x equals negative 7x plus 6. Okay, from here we're going to solve for x. We need to get the x's together. So I'm going to add 7x. Negative 10x plus 7x is negative 3x. Divide both sides by negative 3. X equals negative 2. Now remember, your answer for a system is an ordered pair. It's not just one number like we have here. So now I need to take this negative 2 for x, and I need to plug it back into one of my equations to get my y. I feel like this one's easier for me, so I'm going to plug it in right there. If I do negative 2 times negative 10, I get 20. Okay, so my answer is going to be an ordered pair. Negative 2, 20. Let's give that a shot. Alright, and then once you've answered it, if you've done it correctly or incorrect, it's still going to go over the steps if you need a breakdown of the steps. Okay, so that was the first type of question you're going to see when you can set them equal to each other. Let's look at a level 2 question. So level 2, we still have one of our variables by itself, so we can take what it's equal to and plug it in. Okay, let's see how this one works. Alright, so 8x plus 9y equals negative 28. Negative 4x is equal to y. So in the second equation, I know y is equal to negative 4x. I would recommend writing this down, practicing with me if you're struggling. Take this negative 4x and plug it in for the y in the top, because that's what y is equal to. Okay, pause the video, plug it in, and then see if we are doing it the same way. Okay, hopefully you've tried plugging this in to see if we're doing it the same way here. So I'm rewriting the top equation, 8x plus 9, but instead of the y, I'm going to put what y is equal to, which is negative 4x. Okay, so that's what we should have. Alright, let's keep solving. 8x plus, let's go ahead and multiply those two. 9 times negative 4, negative 36x. Combine your like terms. 8 and negative 36 makes negative 28. Divide both sides by negative 28. And we're going to get positive 1. So 1's my x value. Now I need to figure out my y. I feel like it's easier to plug it into the bottom equation here. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. So negative 4 is my y. Okay, let's write that ordered pair in. And there we go. Okay, that's the second type. Let's do 1 of the third. So this is a level 3 here. Level 3, we still have a variable by itself. So we have something to plug in, but this time what we plug in has 2 terms. Let's see how that works. Okay, so I know that x is equal to 2y minus 3. Circle what x is equal to. Plug it into x in the other equation. So it's going to go right there. Let's do the same thing here. Pause the video, plug it in, see if you're plugging it in correctly. If you want to finish out the equation, you can, and then resume when you're ready to see the answer. Okay, so I've written out the top equation, but instead of the x, I'm plugging in a 2y minus 3. All right, now I'm going to solve. Don't forget to put parentheses around the expression you're plugging in so that you can distribute if you need to. I'm going to distribute my 5, and I get 10y minus 15 minus y equals 21. I'm going to combine my like terms. 9y minus 15 equals 21. Add 15 to both sides. 15 plus 21 is 36. Divide by 9, and I'm getting 4. I'm going to plug the 4 back in to get my x right here. 2 times 4 minus 3, 8 minus 3, 5. So x is 5, y is 4. 5, 4. All right, that's one of each type. You're going to have, like I said, 3 level 1s, 3 level 2s, and 4 level 3s. If you need to, watch this video multiple times or slow it down, pause it throughout. If this is not doing it for you, please reach out to me, get some more help. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful.